What's going on YouTube? Today I got a brand new Popl video for you guys. And in today's Popl video, we're going to be unboxing the brand new Popl Apple Watch. This is a really cool new product from Popl, and this is something that I've personally been waiting for a very long time. I personally wear an Apple Watch, and most people that have Apple Watches usually wear them almost every day. Now, how convenient would it be to have a Popl and have your Apple Watch connected into one? So now that is a thing with the brand new Popl Watch band. So let's go ahead and get this opened up. Now, if you're unsure of what Popl is, or you're just looking into Popl and are debating on whether to get one, Popl is a digital networking device that makes it super easy and efficient to share your information in literally seconds. So if you go ahead and open this up, so here we have the packaging. It looks literally almost identical to an Apple Watch band unboxing. You guys can see, literally has the same packaging, the same structure and everything as the Apple Watch unboxing. So you get two different sizes. You get the medium and large, and then the small to medium sizes here, just like unboxing an Apple Watch. I'm actually this one right here. I'm gonna put this one back. We're gonna get this side as well. Cool. All right, so if you are new to Popl, you will have to scan this QR code and then download the Popl app. All right, so here we have the actual Popl app downloaded and all set up for me. So a common misconception about Popl is that you have to pay for it. Now, yes and no, because when you purchase a Popl device, you automatically get the personal page by default. So here's the personal page. You can literally do almost everything on Popl. You can add all these things with the personal page. The only thing that you can do is add the Pro exclusive apps. Now, if you would like to add the Pro exclusive apps, all you got to do is purchase the Pro membership. So when you do purchase the Pro membership, you get access to a variety of different features that Popl offers. For example, you get the second business page. You can switch between a personal and you can switch to a business page in literally seconds in real time. And then after that, you also get the ability to add all these other apps that you couldn't before with the Popl Pro membership. You can add the calendar, the Google reviews, you can add Zelle, you can embed a video, you can add a text section, a file, custom link. All the ones that say the Pro, you can add those with the Pro membership. And you can't do it with a regular, but a common misconception is that Popl costs money. Yes and no. It all depends on whether you like to upgrade to the Popl Pro membership. I personally am a Popl Pro member, so I do get access to everything, and I do recommend you guys to get the Popl Pro membership just because you get so much more features than you get with just having a default regular membership. All right, so let's go ahead and put this on my Apple Watch itself. So let's go ahead and take off my Apple Watch. Yes, I have a really bad tan here. I know. I wear this watch almost every day. So let's go ahead and take off these bands right here. Put on this band right here. Right back on. Just like that. Cool. All right, and then we have the Popl logo right there in the Popl band itself. All right, take off this side. Cool. Slide on this side just like that, and it locks in just like the Apple Watch bands. Locks in, not coming out. Nice and secure. I'm gonna put this back on. Cool. It feels just like the Apple Watch band. Really nice, snug fit, and I like that. Okay, cool. And then we also have the QR code embedded into the actual band itself, and it looks really nice. Actually, it feels really nice. It has almost the same material as the Apple Watch bands themselves. So props to Popl for making this band very identical to the Apple Watch band. Let's go ahead and set it up. So we go ahead to the settings. We're gonna go ahead and activate a Popl device. We're gonna look for the device that we're setting up. We're gonna scroll down here. We're gonna see the Apple Watch band. Okay, tap that, begin activation, and then we're ready to scan. With iPhones, the NFC reader is towards the top of the phone. With Android, it is towards the back middle of the phone. So let's go ahead and tap it right there. Just like that, successfully activated your Apple Watch band. So now this Apple Watch band is connected to my Popl profile. So let's go ahead and test it out. So here I have another iPhone 14 Pro Max. Cool, we're gonna tap it to the back just like that, the top of the iPhone. And it opens up literally in seconds. You guys saw that in real time. It opened up super quick, super easy, makes it really quick and efficient to share information. If you guys would like to pick one of these up, make sure to use my code Julio Mendoza, first link down in the description below, to get 20% off your whole entire order. Now, when you pop your device to somebody's phone, this page will pop up on their phone. Now, this page allows them to share their information back with you. For example, they can share their email, their name, their phone number. They can add more. They can share their job title, company, and notes on this interaction. For example, let's add an email, Popl device. Cool. I know I spelled that wrong, but we're just doing this for the video real quick. Popl, job title, creator. Cool. And then notes, awesome product. Cool. All right. So now we're going to connect. Now, when I connect, don't allow that real quick. No thanks. Go ahead and go to my page and look at that. Popl just connected with you. So, of course, you would put your own name and stuff like that. It opens up either their page or the things that they had just shared with you in that page that popped up on their phone. And not only does it work with iPhones, but it also works with Android. Okay, so this Android is all opened up, and remember, the Android NFC reader is towards the back. And this phone does have a case, so just to show you guys that this does work through a case, we're gonna tap it to the back right there. All right, and look at that, opens up really quickly. So from there, they can click on your Instagram, they can go around and click on your YouTube, or whatever you decided to share on your own Popl device. All right, so now let's go ahead and test the QR code on the Apple Watch band itself. So we're gonna go ahead and go here to a camera. We're gonna take the phone right there, scan it, click it, and it opens up straight to the same page. Cool. Just to show you guys that this does work with just a free membership of a Popl, we're gonna go ahead and go to personal here. All right, we're gonna go to camera, we're gonna scan it, and it goes to my personal page. Completely different from my business page. I'm gonna go ahead and switch back to my business page right here. We're gonna scan it, and it opens up straight to my business page. Look how easy and quick that is. Literally in a matter of seconds, I was able to share so much more information than I could have ever shared with a paper business card. Paper business cards are things of the past. These are the new networking products of the future. These are taking over paper business cards literally so fast. Buying a Popl will save you guys so much time, and not only that, but it'll leave a cool impression on the person you're sharing your device with, because most people are used to getting paper business cards. And not only do they sell the Popl Apple Watch bands, but they also sell the Popl phone cards for like the back of your phone. They sell Popls that go under your case if you don't want anything to interrupt you right here. Even though this is really thin, literally makes little to no difference. You can get one that goes under your case. You can get one, a little circle that goes on the top. You can get custom cards. You can get custom Popls. So many different devices that they've come out with, embedded with the same cool technology. They are a leading company and all competitors. They're the cheapest. They offer the most products. They offer so much customization, and their tech support is amazing. If you guys would like to pick one of these up, make sure to use my code Julio Mendoza at checkout. Get 20% off your whole entire order. If you guys are not sure how to do that, make sure to click the first link down in the description below. And from here, you can go ahead and explore their app. You can explore all the products they have right here. And then if you guys would like to purchase one, just go ahead and click on the Apple Watch band. We're going to go ahead and go to the cart here. We're going to go ahead and show order summary. Now, if this Julio Mendoza is not there, just go ahead and type in Julio Mendoza, enter it, and it'll apply the 20% off automatically to your whole order. So you're going to go ahead and save yourself 13 bucks out of 64. So yeah, that's basically going to conclude this video. If you guys did enjoy this video, make sure to drop a like down below, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and check out other Popl videos if you guys are interested in seeing other devices of Popl. I have many other Popl device reviews and unboxings in other videos on my channel. Make sure to go check those out. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.